Hey guys, let's make a Cupid's Kiss Frappuccino. Let's get to it. To start, you're going to want to pick up the Flavored Coffee Collection's Pod Variety Pack. You get cherry chocolate and strawberry shortcake K-Cups. We're going to be using the cherry chocolate K-Cup. Go ahead and pop it in your Keurig and brew it. Go ahead and pour this into your blender. Then we're going to get some ice. Now we're going to take a cup of Cherrific Cheesecake Blue Bunny ice cream, put it into our blender. Add you a cup of whole milk. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chocolate caramel truffle natural Bliss creamer. This has real milk and cream. Get you some strawberry syrup and line your cup with it. Okay, there's that part. Also line your cup with a white chocolate flavored sauce with Ghirardelli. Okay, there's that. We're going to put our blender on and we're going to blend all ingredients. Pour halfway in your cup. Add your favorite whipped cream. This is optional if you don't like whipped cream. Add a little more strawberry syrup. Add some chocolate syrup to this on top. Add some cherry heart sprinkle mix with edible wafers on top. These are at Walmart for less than $3 to $4. And that's how you make a Cupid's Kiss Frappuccino. Look at those little cherry wafers and sprinkles. And oh my gosh, the cherry and the chocolate go well together. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to save this recipe at the end of the video and follow us for more. Love you guys. Let's test it out, shall we? Y'all, that is so good. You need to try this. Bye, guys. Be quiet, Everly. Here, let me say. Oh, hello. Hey, well, I called Lonnie, and Lonnie said that nobody was over there, and, so I figured he probably ran out either to the farm or to Dale's or one of those natures. Does he what? I'm sorry. I don't think he has it here. I think, Dale has it with him as far as